Hello everybody, I'm back now again with some more pointers on the impact and the importance of grooming. In my last video, you would have seen, I put the link below in the description box, where I have talked about the various factors that you have to be mindful or aware about in your grooming and how it builds your confidence and makes communication very easy. Welcome to True Lessons, your go-to place for upskilling courses. So let's proceed to talk about the impact of grooming. Now let's visualize a period of time that was very difficult for us. The COVID times like 2020, 2021, 2022. And what do we visualize? Who were the heroes during that time? Naturally, the healthcare workers. And how do you visualize them? We visualize them in their PPE suits. All these healthcare workers in their white and blue PPE suits, we may not even remember their faces, we have not recognized them, but they were the heroes. And why was that? How do we visualize people? Through their attire. The same goes with men and women in uniform like cops or people in the armed forces. You automatically feel secure with them, right? If you see a nurse in a hospital, you'll run towards her because you think she will treat you, help you with your health problems. Same as with doctors also, in their white coats, stethoscope. You identify or you have an image about these people in uniform. Along with uniform, you'll also notice that they follow some dress codes, like they don't leave their hair loose, their nails are trimmed, they wear neat shoes and socks, they're neatly dressed even up to their headwear or even their caps, hats, even belts also. They're very careful how they are dressed. They have strict dress codes, and because of their discipline and their grooming, we are drawn towards them. Therefore, your attire and dressing becomes your identity, and that is the impact your grooming has on you. Similarly, religious leaders from different religions, most people go to them for spiritual, awakening or for spiritual advice, and they are identified by their clothes. Like Christians wear a habit, white one, and Hindus wear ochre or orange robes, and so on and so forth. So our clothes and our style of dressing is our identity, and we send out a message to others on who we are. And depending on how you are dressed and groomed, people will come to you, and people will decide on whether to associate with you, whether it's nice to associate with you, because in their mind they will form a mental picture about you. That is the importance or impact of grooming. Again, in my last video, if you remember, I have said, in my last video, I had talked to you about staining your clothes while you're eating. Suppose you have dropped ketchup or some curry on your clothes, you should apologize to the people around you and then get up and clean it. This is what I said. So many of my students have asked me, ma'am, if you have not dropped food on somebody else, why should I apologize to these people around me? I've dropped food on myself. So what is the need to apologize? An apology itself shows up your humility and the fact that you're able to understand that you can make a mistake and you accept your mistake. So it's a huge communication skill that you're able to tell the others, look, I dropped it by accident, but I'm very sorry I interrupted our conversation or distracted you, or maybe you are talking to somebody else, but because of my clumsy action or careless action, your communication was broken. And therefore, they will look up to you and respect you because you have got good manners. They will understand that you are aware of how you have made a mistake and that now you're apologizing for it. It becomes very easy to forgive you and get along with you. So this is the image you create, and therefore it's very important for communication. Therefore, the importance of good grooming is always the fact that others can relate to you well. They will look at you as a very likable person. Therefore, the importance of good grooming is you become a likable person to others if you're groomed well. You will become a person who others can approach, take advice from, and become friends with. And when others react to you positively, it boosts your confidence levels also. Therefore, you are on your way to becoming a great leader if you are very mindful about your own grooming. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Watch this channel for more videos on upskilling courses, clinical research courses, communication skills, and English course.